Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change your password in the SHEIN application. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and open your application and make sure that you're logged in. And once you're here, go ahead and tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, go ahead and click on the settings icon at the top right corner. And from here, tap on the Manage My Account. And here you have the option to change your password. So let's click on this. So what you're going to do is just type in here the old password, and then you're going to be putting here the new password that you're going to be using, and then you just have to retype the new password in here to confirm. And once you're done, go ahead and tap on submit, and your password will be changed from the old one. So that's pretty much it. That's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!